what is your favorite part about your job here at LJ Stone?
I like dealing with the customers and making sure that all of our customers are very well satisfied. We're friends, but yet we get the job done and we care about our customers, and Trent cares about his employees.
The people, honestly, I get to have so many different interactions, connect with so many different people, see if they have a need, and really help them on the projects that they need to get done in the future. But also, the team and the staff here and everyone I get to work with just feels like you're really working with family.
My favorite part about working here at LJ Stone is really connecting with the customers, seeing that they love their new remodeled bath, and really being able to capture those moments is something that I really enjoy.
I think this is a really good step to get some experience in, and even though I've been here for a little bit of time, I've really seen just like everyone treat each other like family, and I think that's something pretty close to hold to my heart.
My favorite part about working at LJ Stone is being able to express my creativity and connecting with other local businesses in Muncie.
It's like family here. The others was repetitive factory work, and this here was just what you see.
I think the best part of my job is that I'm helping people get things they need, because everyone eventually gets to the point where they struggle to get in and out of their tub, or they just need a new bathroom because either they don't like it or something's wrong with it. And being able to change something in someone's lives for the better makes me feel better at the end of the day.
Willing to be open and be willing to have new conversations with new people, and just willing to explore. And with that, all of my teammates are pretty much all alike in that regards, and so we'll get along really well, and it's a very fun environment, and I just have a lot of fun working with them.